Wouldn't it be funny if TikTok starts taking down my cleaning videos because it's toxic? So you guys always ask how I'm so minimal, and like you guys always ask why, you know, I'm so minimal and stuff. I just love very simple, minimal. Like I don't like a lot of decorations. I don't know if you can tell by my house. I like my house to be very simple. I don't have a big house. Even if I did, that's just like my style. I like it to be very simple, minimal. Like I don't like a bunch of little like random things. I feel like it's just clutter. It's just clutter. It's just crap you don't need. The more crap you have, the more easier it is to make a mess, you know, or for it to look dirty or whatever. So I highly encourage you, declutter your home. Get rid of stuff you don't use, don't wear. Keep it minimal. It's gonna make you feel so much better. I love how simple my house is. Like, so there's some days I just want to like take everything off the walls, get rid of all the pillows, like throw pillows, and just keep it very simple. It just makes me feel good. So I just don't buy a lot of crap. I don't buy a lot of crap for the house because it's just stuff that just makes a mess.
Alaski terra, etc.